Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to skip the ad in YouTube. For example, if you're watching any videos or songs in YouTube, if you're getting ads, you can easily skip it. Example, this is an ad displaying, okay? This is 36 seconds ad. I just want to skip it. For that, what you need to do is you need to use your remote. You need to tap this about this ad. So I'm going to tap this, okay? So here you can see this option, stop seeing this ad or return to the video. So I'm going to tap the stop seeing this video, and then we need to tap this return to video. That's it. So the ad is skipped. So this is the way you can skip any ads in YouTube. There is another ad. Again, I'm going to skip it. So here we need to tap this information. Here we need to go to this about this ad and use your remote control, and then tap the stop seeing this ad, and then choose return to video. Automatically your ad will be skipped. Only this is possible in TV. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.